Okay, here we go. Oh, man. Got the bumpiness of the roads here. Look at that. Came up fishing. Nice 70-degree day. Very enjoyable. No bites, no nothing at all though. That's okay though. I was talking to a couple for about 15 minutes here about the electric bikes. They were getting close to retiring, and interesting, kind of felt like I was being a spokesperson. Well, I was basically being a spokesperson for them, you know, showing them about the bikes and the different things and everything else. They were really interested in them. Kind of nice. Hopefully this video is not too jumpy for you guys. Just got to watch out for the potholes. These roads. You know, that brings me to the topic they were asking about, how they are kind of off-road on trails. I told them, you know, just, you want to be careful. You don't want to go banging down hardcore gravel roads with potholes, obviously. The most important thing also to let people know is that these bikes are not lightweight. You know, you're talking about 70 pounds. So, because that is significant. I know that can scare a lot of people away from these bikes, but if you take care of them, shouldn't have to worry that much about it. Okay. Got a lot of good wind just coming and going, my gosh. Nice sound of little water trickling down the side of the mountain there. I can hear pretty sure it's my back brake kind of rubbing, but then again, it's pretty dusty out here. I do notice that you get in dusty conditions, at least with my experiences, definitely start getting like a little bit of brake rubbing. I think it's because some of that dust can dam failure evacuation route. I've seen that sign before. Wow. Yeah, but you get the dust on your rotors, it gets there on your pads, other small debris, it's gonna happen. You know, in that case, rubbing alcohol, ooh, big pothole. Rubbing alcohol on your rotors, clean them really good, and then I take some really fine grit sandpaper and go over the rotors, inside and out, really carefully. That generally stops any weird noise that I have off my brakes. They actually stop squeaking on your brakes as well. Ooh, man. Good. Man. About burnt biscuits there. Water drainage taking place. Good 100-foot drop right off to the left. And it's steep. You wouldn't want to be going off the side of that on one of these bikes. You'd have a bad day. Worse than burnt toast if you did that. Pothole. Oh, okay. Yeah. I tell you, though, these bikes, I just can't stress the freedom they give you. Economical. You know, just standard maintenance, just, you know, common sense. Be careful how and where you're riding. Want to be safe. It's all that matters. My bike's upgraded to a point where it's practically a electric 3.0, to be honest with you. Honestly, the only difference is the motors. Geez. The 3.0 motor's got a little more kick to it as far as output, wattage, and comes with a 14 amp hour battery. You know, for the money at the time, not a bad deal, but my bike's already pretty much there. I've been happy with my electric 2.0. So yeah, other than that, hope you guys are keeping safe out there, and we'll talk again on the next video. Peace.